Hello everyone, I am Sudhir Maurya. Today I am going to solve the problem of 1's complement which was asked in Shastra Coding Club challenge. So let us solve this problem. So we have given an integer n and we have to find the 1's complement of that number. So how to solve this problem? So first of all we have to convert the given number into its binary form, and afterwards we have to do the 1's complement. So if you see 5 is represented as 101 is binary form, and afterwards we have to do the 1's complement. So what is 1's complement? 1's complement is nothing but changing 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. If you see 101 is changes to 010. Next we will see the input format. In the input format there will be two lines. The first line will consist of integer t. T denotes the number of test cases. Test cases basically means how many times the program will run. Then second line will consist of integer t. It is a single integer, don't provide multiple integers. Next we will see the sample input. If you see there is two test cases. The first line of input, that is our input format says, and the second line of input will be single integer. So if there are two test cases, there will be two integers. In the first test cases there is integer 23, and the second test cases there is integer 0. See the output of this. So the 1's complement 23 is 8 and the 1's complement of 0 is 1. Now how to solve this using code? Let's see with the code. Now we have solved with C++. We have used a header file known as bits.h. Why we have used bits.h? Because bits.h help us to solve the program of binary easily. Next we have in the int main we have initializes int t, because int t take the test case as an input. Seen in C++, take the input t is the number of test cases. Further we have used a while loop. In this while loop it says that until our test cases end the loop will be continued. So there is two test cases, so the whole loop will be run twice. Next we have initialized the num is basically our integer, our n as integers you can say. We have taken input as c is equal to num. In the first test case there will be 23 as input, and in the second case there will be 0. In the next line we have stored the num into temporary variable. Next we will see if the user enters the 0, that is our the second test case. If the user enters the 0, that is our second test case, then there will be direct answer printed as 1, because the 0's complement is 1. Next we will see what if the user don't enter the 0. Then we have to initialize while time is equal to 0. In that we have cnt less than 1. It is not less than. You can say it is a left hand operator. So what is left hand operator? I can say you. So first consider our test case, our integer 23. So representing is binary form 1011. So what we do, 1011 will be left shift, which will say left hand operator or left shift operator. So here it says left shift by 1. So we have to left shift by 1. So after shifting left 0 by 1 we get this. Further it says that we have to do OR operation with 1. If you know OR operation is nothing but 1 to 1 is 0, 1 to 1 gives the answer as 1, or 1 to 0 also gives the answer as 1. If there is 0 to 0 it will give 0. In this our case we have to do with 1. We have to do only with 1. So the answer will be let us say. So the answer will be 1111 only. There is no 0 here. So to get the answer here 0. So it will store the answer in CNT again. In that, after that we have to do the complement of the number. For doing the complement, this symbol is used. This directly do the complement of the number. So here says that we have to do complement of the number, and we have to do the AND operation with that. So if we say 23's complement is 1, let us say 23 1011. So the complement of that will be 0 1 0 1 0 0 0, and we have to do AND operation of that of this CNT of what we get earlier. So AND operation is nothing but, answer is nothing but 1 is equal to 1, and 0 to 1 is 0, and 0 to 0 is nothing but 0. So here we will get 0 1 0 0 0. If you see 0 0 0 0 1, that's our answer as 8. If you know the binary, it will show the answer is that only. So that's how the code works. Let's run this code. Now we will submit this code. The source code for this video will be available in C, C++, and Python in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe TCET Shastra, and also follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you so much.